Gather close, children of dust and breath. Long ago, on the wide plains of Shinar, the children of men spoke with one tongue. They molded bricks with shared laughter, passed tools from hand to hand, and dreamed with the same fierce pride. Come, they said, let us burn these bricks well. Let us build a tower, a stairway to the heavens. Let us make for ourselves a name, so we will not be scattered across the face of the earth like dust. Stone by stone, word by word, the tower climbed higher. They built not for praise of the Most High, but to place themselves beside Him. Their unity turned to pride, their pride to rebellion. The sky, they believed, could be conquered by mortar and will. But the Lord came down, not in fury, but in sorrow. If as one people speaking one tongue they have begun this, He whispered, nothing they plan will be impossible to them. So, with a single breath, He scattered their speech like seeds on the wind. One word, confusion. One act, division. Voices turned to noise. Brothers became strangers. They could not finish what pride had begun. And so, they departed, east and west, north and south, no longer with towers in their hands, but with questions in their hearts. They spoke many tongues, but one truth echoed among them. The heavens belong to God, not man. And so ends the tale of the Tower of Babel, a story not only of pride and punishment, but of the limits of human ambition and the power that lies beyond stone and speech.